Hello guys and gals, I thought I'd make a video on me working on my Camaro. I've been doing a lot of patch panel work and replacement. Here's my rocker panel for the passenger side. Made some inner sleeves to slip into the old rocker pieces so I can slip them in for a nice good fit. So I can do a full good weld up. Holes are drilled to weld her onto the bottom. Here's my patch for the lower quarter panel on the passenger side, all ready to get welded in. And I'm working on my tail panel. Adding in the new pieces and cutting out the old. Got some finishing welding to do. A little bit of hammer and dolly work, smooth it all out. Get some body filler on her and fill up all the gaps and all the seams. Making all the little trim pieces along the edging. Right here I got a bunch of pieces I'm fabbing in. And been working on my chopper. Here's my fender mount. Still got to roll my frame over and do a weld up underneath. Weld her all up good and solid. Once all that's done and get the fender all mounted in, then I got to take her off and put her out on my big table out in the front of my shops. Because I got my big motor here with my chopper, and I got to get her back in the frame. And I got to get a mock-up going and see how the motor fits in the frame here. So I got to block her up and see how everything goes here, one step at a time. And Camaro doors here. I've been getting ready to get them back on. I'm going to get an extra pair of hands to help me get her on there. Get them mounted back on the car. And gotta do some cutting out again in here a little bit. Fix up in here. A little bit of rippage. And got the floors cleaned up inside again. Just sprayed on a little bit of protectant paint. Sealed up all the areas. My little patches, little pieces put in. I cut out the rust there. Got a little bit of shaping to do and grinding down the welds. And hey, man. Getting ready to do the lower trunk drop off. Patch piece. Thinking of doing a flange weld. Get my panel flanger out and get her nice form fit for weld up. We'll see how that goes, or we'll just do an overlap weld or something here. We'll just have to make a decision here yet on the best way to do this. So just basically making slow progress, just working on little pieces and areas at a time still. And I think I'm going to get back at my chopper here pretty quick again here because I want to get my motor in her. So I'll wait till I get a couple of friends here to give me a hand and get the big motor back in the frame and go from there. So nothing massive, just something for you guys to watch. Hope to hear some comments and hope your projects are going good and having a great time. Haven't quit on my Camaro, obviously. It's just been a long process. A lot of work, labor of love. So thanks for watching. Hope to hear some comments. You all have a great day. Bye for now.